Hello everyone, and I know I haven't done a lot of drawings or doodles in the past week. I uploaded one video yesterday of me doing a big cardboard doodle on a big piece of cardboard. And I've been working on rearranging pretty much everything in my entire apartment. I took my entire bedroom and I rearranged all that. I moved my bed into where my art room area is. I've got my computer set up, my light, and then I have everything set up over here, so now I have a lot more room. And I've been working on that for the past 2 weeks, getting rid of a lot of junk and things that I just don't use anymore. I mean, I had appliances in my kitchen that I didn't even know was there. I had like these toaster oven. I had an extra blender that I didn't know I had, and then I had some George Foreman cooking grill thing machine. What's it called? I know it's just George Foreman. And then I had a toaster, which I don't even use because I never even eat bread. But I just rearranged all that in there. I started on it today in my kitchen. And I was working on it. I thought, maybe this will take me about 2 hours to rearrange everything, have it all cleaned, and I'll be good. But then, 6 hours went by, and I'd still been working on it. And I even decided to hide most of my dishes and silverware because I got tired of doing so many dishes every day. I mean, I would get busy working on something, and then I would grab another bowl. And then my mind would be focused on drawing and editing, working on things. And then I'd have all these plates and bowls built up everywhere. And then I got tired of that, and then I started buying some paper plates. And that worked for a while. And then after that, I ran out of paper plates, and then I forgot to get more. And then I went back to making too many dishes. So I got tired of wasting so much time working on that. And I cleared that all out. And now I have one spoon, one fork, one butter knife. I have one bowl, one cup, and one plate. But instead of using the plate, I'm going to use paper plates because it's just more efficient as far as my time goes with all the work that I'm doing with drawing, editing things on the channel, editing videos and all that. That I want to make things as efficient as possible so that I can bring more content to everybody. And if anybody has any suggestions about anything, go ahead and let me know and I'll get to that. And I've just been working on a lot of stuff. And so because of all that, I wanted to make my apartment and everything more efficient in its layout. My bedroom now is pretty much just its own art room. I've got everything set in there to where I can do big drawings or whatever I want in there. And I can record maybe, some speech if I sit down and talk about something. And so that's all cleared out. And then my hallway I put in there some things I just don't use anymore. I might give away. I might sell it. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with some of it. Some of it is stuff that could be sold, but then other things are too much of a hassle to even try to post online to sell because it's only worth like $1, and I don't see the point in worrying about all that when I can just get rid of it. And so, yeah, lots of rearranging and lots of cleaning, and I've been working on that now for about 2 weeks, and I didn't realize how much stuff I actually had until I started going through it. And then I realized that, I need to just get this done, get it all out of the way so that I have more time to work on things. Because I would have times where I want to go do something and I had all this other stuff that was in my way that I needed to get done. And now that I have that done, I'll have more time to work on more drawings. I'll have more time to doodle and create things. And it makes me feel more relaxed because I don't have this. Well, it wasn't a mess. It was just, it was really cluttered more so than anything. And getting that all cleaned up makes things a bit more efficient. And now I've actually got my air conditioner in my, bedroom / living room / art room / entertainment area. But the air conditioner is right by my bed. So when I'm sleeping, it keeps my head nice and cool. And instead of using a big thick blanket, I'm just using a thin bed sheet because I live in an upstairs apartment and it does get really hot in here. And the problem I was having before is that my bedroom was in a separate room from my living room, so the bedroom would get hot and then my air conditioner was in here, but I could have gotten a second air conditioner, but I didn't feel like spending the money on buying a second one. So I just put everything mostly in this living room, and I'm just gonna work on things here. And because this is pretty much the area I work in, I mean, I work on things till I sort of get tired, maybe till, I don't know, 11 o'clock at night, and then I'll get ready, go to bed. I'll be in bed at midnight, and then I've been waking up at 5 or 6 a.m. Usually averaging like 6 a.m. and I feel completely fine with an hour or two less sleep, because it's like I wake up and like right there's my work area, and so I can just start working on things again, and it makes that a bit more efficient. I want to bring new content, new ideas. I want to make new styles of art. I want to just have fun, make vlogs, probably take my little action camera I have with me, bring that out, go places. I just feel that now that I have a better organized area, I can get more things done in a more timely manner. But mostly just deep cleaning today. I don't think I have much of anything else because I've been so focused working on things. But yeah, I don't know what you would call this. An art / living room / bedroom, I guess. I don't know, but yeah, it's all set up pretty good. I've got over one corner where my area is now for charging all my stuff. It's all in one location now, so I can charge my batteries. I can have my headphones, all my batteries from all different cameras and everything, and my over-ear headphones, the noise-canceling Bluetooth ones. I can set everything over there, have it all charged for the day, then it's all set, and then I can move on so that the next day things are ready, things are charged. You don't have to worry about sitting around waiting for batteries to charge for hours while I'm can't work on anything. But it's a bit more efficient, and so that's what I've been up to for the past 2 weeks. But now coming into this week coming up, I'll be uploading a lot more drawing videos now that I have everything situated how I want, and got all the areas set up as far as when it comes to efficiency and organization and whatnot. But yeah, it's all going pretty good, and I do have some plans for new drawings that I'm going to be working on, new doodles, and I've got all my art supplies right there beside me, so it's pretty much 2 steps from me. So I can just get some art supplies there, come over here and doodle. But got a lot more space, and look forward to making new doodles and everything for you. So if you have any suggestions about anything you'd like me to draw, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below, and I will get to those. But until then, you have a good day, and you keep creating, and don't give up. I'll see you later. Stay positive and stay happy.